So welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how the boys managed to catch an 8.5 risk to reward trade live while on Discord. That's correct. When we were in the live Discord trading call, I told the boys I was looking at this 15-minute level. I entered the trade. The boys entered the trade. Unfortunately, I got stopped out at break even due to spreads because there was news. But some of the boys managed to catch a beautiful trade. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the trade. So have a watch and I'll show you my exact strategy and the trade that I take. Let's go. So as you guys know, my strategy is based on structure. Once we have a break of structure, I'm then looking for the high that causes break of structure to get respected. And from there, I'm going to be looking for a short position. Vice versa, something like this, to be fair, like this, a sweep and a drop. Vice versa, if I was to get a bullish break of structure, I want the exact same situation. A break of structure like this. So you're going to have our structural break. And I'll find the low that caused a structural break, which is this one right up over here. And I'm simply waiting for price to sweep out this low before heading up higher. Now, if we have a look on the 15-minute chart on GBP USD, have a look at this. Price comes down, as you guys can see. It fails to break. So that's not a break of structure. Then it comes back up and then it makes the break. So this is one leg for me. And now I'm not going to lie. We did take a loss on this high over here because it's internal break of structure over here. But if you go on the 15-minute time frame, this is the main break of structure. It's a bit of a difficult one to mark out. But either way, this is the break of structure because this is just a wick. So we drag this line across. If I remove the line, you can see it goes straight through the wicks to the body close. Because remember, a break of structure is only valid if there is a body close. Now, after we took this loss over here, I then marked out this high and I'm using this as liquidity for the trade. So jumping down, we simply want to wait for price to head up bullish. So as you guys can see, price headed up. But it started approaching our 15-minute zone. At this point, we've swept out the liquidity. This is where we took our stop loss, unfortunately. But if you have a look on the next candle, we get a bearish candle like this. And this is where I entered my sell position with a 4-point stop loss. I then jumped onto the 15-minute time frame and I marked down my weak low. Now this low is weak because it had failed to make some new structure. So once we have a weak low that's failed to make structure, this is what we're going to be looking to target. And also a quick little fact, I like targeting the body of the candle and not the wick because sometimes I find prices can come all the way down to the wick. Jumping onto the 1 minute. You can then see price. So I'm going to drag this to the wick. It was around 8.5 risk to reward. As you can see, price absolutely dumped straight off the bat. What did I do here? I moved my stop loss to break even. So right now my stop loss is at break even. Now, if I pay price out, this was an orange GBP news folder. Now, unfortunately, this caused me to get break even in the trade due to spreads. But some of the boys, their broker kept them inside the trade. And as you can see, if you let price play itself out, I'm just going to speed this up real quick. You can see that price starts moving lower. Then it starts chilling around for a while before eventually dumping all the way down to the 15-minute low in New York session. So if you have a look and let price play itself out, price absolutely dumps all the way down to our take profit for a 6.55 risk to reward. And that is my exact trading strategy. We simply wait for a break of structure, a sweep of that structure. So we wait for a break of structure, wait for price to make the high and low. Now we've got the high that's caused a structure break. We pretty much wait for confirmation. Enter the trade, stop loss at the high to invalidate the position. Take profit at the previous week low. And that is exactly how we managed to catch an 8.5 risk to reward. Now, remember, I have a free Discord community and a VIP Discord community where I trade live every single day and mark out trades like this. So if you guys want to learn what I do, jump in the Discord or check out my Instagram. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.